So, you're ready to start building your AI agent. Great! In this video, I'll walk you through the 3 payment plans that are available on Botpress and give you some best practices to follow when you're choosing which one might be right for you. Every workspace you create starts out as pay-as-you-go, so you can get to building as quickly as possible. The goal of pay-as-you-go is to get you to roll up your sleeves and dive into your agent project without barriers like demos or sales calls. It's ideal for people who are just starting out with AI agents, for individuals at companies that don't have a mature deployment pipeline yet, or for freelancers building and delivering AI agents as a service to their clients. People typically pick pay-as-you-go for 3 main reasons. Transparent, usage-based pricing. Botpress charges you for exactly what your bot uses, and with no markup on things like LLMs, you're paying exactly what you would pay for the exact same actions built from scratch through code with an LLM provider directly. Custom packages. Not all AI agents are created equal. Some might rely heavily on tables and database storage, while others might have higher numbers of messages and events. On pay-as-you-go, you only subscribe to services you actually use, so you can build a custom package that suits you. And a robust community. With over 25,000 members on our Discord server, hundreds of thousands of bots in production, and over 500,000 users, on Botpress, you're never building alone. Let's be real, this is a new space, and we're building the plane as we fly, so why do it alone? If you want to start building and testing right away, learn how AI agents work, or get into production as quickly as possible, pay-as-you-go is a great way to get started. The team plan is for people and companies looking to either scale up an agent project that's matured, or to hit the ground running with all the resources needed to quickly deploy a sophisticated agent. It's ideal for users that can take advantage of increased usage limits like messages or table rows, or users that need the dedicated support of our expert agent builders. People typically pick the team plan for 3 reasons. Dedicated support, whether it's debugging a specific problem, discussing best implementation practices for a certain workflow, or anything else you might need, the team plan gives you access to our team of solution engineering experts who've helped companies across the world get their agents successfully into production. Live Agent Handoff. Handing off LLM-driven conversations to live agents, known on Botpress as Human in the Loop, or HITL, lets you take control of conversations that might need additional nuance or a plain old human touch. It gives team plan users total control over conversations that you'd rather handle yourself instead of your AI agent. And collaboration. The team plan was built for collaboration, hence the name. Features like real-time collaboration, which lets multiple people edit together in the studio at the same time, or role-based access control so you can follow your company's compliance guidelines, are included by default. As your AI agent project matures, or if you want to get started with a sophisticated deployment, for example, if you're migrating from a legacy chatbot solution, the team plan is a great way to go. Botpress Enterprise is for large-scale, mission-critical deployments at large organizations. It's ideal for companies that are looking to implement AI agents across multiple departments, from HR to sales, and are looking to do so from a single, unified platform. Our customers typically go the enterprise route for 3 reasons. 1, the Botpress Enterprise Guarantee. We work hands-on with every enterprise client to determine a realistic and aggressive timeline for your deployment and guarantee that your agent project will be delivered within that specified timeline. A sophisticated deployment. So enterprise deployments typically require the collaboration of multiple departments, integrations, legacy systems, and IT services. This kind of large-scale deployment typically benefits from the advanced technical and business resources that are available to our enterprise customers. And finally, security and compliance. We support organizations to make sure that you're adhering to all of your security and compliance guidelines. Enterprise customers are able to configure things like specific data retention or residency policies, manage enterprise keys, or deploy on custom terms. If you want to deploy AI agents at scale across your organization, whether you're starting from scratch or you're graduating from a team plan, get in touch with our team to talk through Botpress Enterprise. And those are the different payment plans on Botpress. Our goal is to get you from testing to production as quickly and easily as possible. Whether you're an individual builder or an international organization, we're confident that Botpress is the best way to deploy an AI agent. Happy bot building!